Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Plus, and today I will show you hidden codes. So to start off, open up the dialer app right here, and to use secret codes, we'll start off with showing the IMEI and IMEI number basically. So to do it, you will press the star, hash, star, or actually like this, and 06 and hash, and you get information, IMEI number, and a couple other ones, as you can see. So moving on, I'm gonna show you testing menu. So to do that, you will have star hash 4636 and hash star, and from here have information about phone, which you can see basically most of the information. Go back, have usage status, where it gives you different information about apps and other stuff, and Wi-Fi information, which would be IP and other stuff. Okay, now moving on, we're gonna go into calendar info. Oops, sorry. So calendar info would be star hash 225 and here. And for this to actually show information, you will need to be logged into a Google account first, and then it will show you contacts and basically everything associated with that account. So yeah, and you can basically see here. Okay, so moving on. Last one will be debug info for Google Play service, and let's go star hash 426 hash star, and from here have information about basically Google Play services and a couple tabs of it as well. Paying, connect, disconnect, and other. So now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.